Hi! So, itutour ko kayo sa aming cabin for tonight. Tiny, tiny cat. So, dito kami mag-stay tonight. So, I'm gonna give you a tour. So, ayan yung front niya, tiny cat. But, horse yun. Bakit horse yun? So, eto siya. Ayun yung cabin. Let's see. Nakapark na kami inside. Okay, that's the cabin. Oh, merong duyan doon, 'di ba? May duyan. And then here, pwede kayong mag-grill. Pero parang, ayan. Pwede kayong mag-grill, pero parang madumi siya, no? Hindi naman siya madumi. Kasi madahon dito, nasa ano nga kami, nasa gitna kami ng bundok. Nasa mountain talaga kami. So, eto yon yung cabin. Ayun yung cat. Hello, hello. Meow, meow. That's the cabin. Yeah. Okay, let's go inside. So, ang nakalagay dyan is, leave your worries and your shoes at the door. So, let's open. It's cutie. It's not cat, it's panda. Okay, meron siyang ganito. Parang meron siyang net para sa lamukata. Okay. I'm gonna leave my worries. Gonna put my slipper here. Sandals. And door. Okay, this is it. Okay, let's go first here. Yeah, eto yung living room. This is the living room. May AC siya. Wala nga lang TV. And those two cats. Yeah. Dito ang living room niya. Diba? Bundok na bundok talaga. So, eto ang kitchen. Meron silang coffee maker, tito, lutuan, may tea kettle. Meron siyang utensils, may mga spoon na rin. Pwede kang magluto. So, that's that. And then, should I open the closet? The cabinet? Oh! They have here too. Meron din silang coffee and creamer. Meron sila dyan. Oh, tignan mo yun. Meron din silang flashlight and then pang-spray pag nilalamok ka. And what's this? Okay. Meron silang, yeah, plates and bowls. Meron din silang first aid kit. Oh, diba? Bongga. Ano to? Oh, eto yung mga cups. Glasses. That's good. And they have the mini fridge. Let's open it kung anong laman. Oh, yellow. Good. They have yellow. Pero, and here, oh, mallows. And they have water too. How about here? On the bottom. Oh, okay. How about here? Oh, okay. Okay. That's that. Okay, and then, eto siya. May hagdanan papunta dun sa taas. Ito yung first tulugan. Careful. Okay, first tulugan. Oh, ayan. Oh, may tulugan. Sa taas siya. So, ayan yung first tulugan. Kailangan lang mag-ingat. Baka malaglag. Then, ito yung second na tulugan. Oh my God. Okay, may bintana din siya. Dalawa. So, bale, ang kasya sa cabin na to is apat. Apat. Apat ang kasya sa cabin na to. So, eto yung bathroom niya. Okay, see? May extra blanket here. May Lysol. And then, meron din silang what's this? I'm keep you warm. No cost to use. $25 to take home. Oh. If you take it home, $25. Okay? So, meron silang coat para pag nilamig ka, may walis sila. Diba? Maglinis ka ng sarili mo. Let's turn on the light. Hala! Okay. Oh my God. I almost break it. Ito yung sink nila. Okay. May towels. Of course. And hand soap. May toothbrush na rin sila. That's good. Okay. Q-tips. And then the cottons. May mirror sila dito. And then this is the shower. That's the shower. So, meron na silang shampoo, body wash, conditioner. Kompleto na sila. And then this. Oh, good. That's cute. Yeah. That's everything. Okay, that's it for the cabin tour. Magpapaalam na muna ako. Next time na lang ulit for our next video. Yeah, I like this cabin. Bye! Nagluto ako ng dinner. Ito yung adobo. My first time. Let's see if it's good. Ayan ang aking tuyong adobo. Ewan ko masarap. Napadami yata yung sugar ko dyan. But look at that. Okay. So, ang dinner namin. Ito yung adobo. Over rice. With pechay. Diba? Ayan yung cabin namin. Pag night time. And then, may lamp. Bonfire. Then, may tao dyan. Oh, diba? Nice, right? Okay. Da-da-da. So dark. Get it there! Sampalin kita eh. Oh. Anong meron? May lamp kami. Oh. May palamp. May palamp dyan. Fire.
To be with the train like this.
Hi, Kat. Nagpakita ka sa amin. Bago kami umalis. Okay. Hello. Oh. You're itching na. Bye-bye. Stay home. Bye-bye. Galing kami sa bundok, tignan pababa. Pababa ang way dito. Galing tayo kami sa bundok. Sa bundok talaga kami nag-stay. Sa taas ng bundok. See. Roller coaster. Pauwi na kami. What time is that? checkout time is 11, but we decided to leave early. Why? Why we decided to leave early?